Hello Nancy, this is a little tutorial on a reminder on how you can upload a PDF file and insert it into a post or a page. So I'm going to do it for a post since we don't have these really activated anywhere, and I'm going to go into this post called Hello World. Now we're going to select the visual editor, and I'm just going to come down right here and I'm going to click Add Media. Now I can upload a PDF here like we talked about before, and I'm sure you're familiar with how to do that, or we could grab a media library and maybe we'll take this Past Presidents PDF. Now we notice the title here is called Past Presidents. That's what the link is going to show up as whenever you insert it into the post or the page. So I'm going to click Insert into the post here, and you'll see now that it's linked for Past Presidents. Now just to illustrate what I was talking about here, I'm going to do the same thing, click Past Presidents, and I'm going to put 2, just so you can see that that's whatever you put in this title tag right here is what's going to be linked to that document. So now it says Past Presidents 2, and then of course you would always click Update, and then after you click Update you can preview the page. And we can see here that Past Presidents 2 is in there. Now remember, if you don't want this sidebar in your post page, you can easily take them out by choosing the template. Let me find the template for you here. Or that's something I'm going to have to do with the editing. Okay, I could program. Just let me know if you don't want this sidebar in. Now this is just kind of like the news page. So let me know if you don't want the sidebars in there either, and I'll make sure we take them out. But basically that's how you do that. And then maybe to insert an image, it would be the same thing. Add link, select the image. You can align it to the left, center, or right. We'll align it to the right this time. And then you could choose a size. I'm going to use a full size. If it's over 500, you probably don't want to use it. This is the full size image. Now here's the description. This description looks a little bit messed up, so looks like there was some code there. We could put this is Kevin, and that's Kevin McGuire. We could put a caption under his photograph, basically his name. And it's also good to give it an alternative text for search engines to index your pictures. So if you wanted Kevin McGuire to be indexed in the Google Images or Bing Images or Yahoo Images, it'd be nice to have his name in there. And so then we click Insert into Post, and there we see we have it aligned to the right. And let's say that you wanted to change this real quick. Also you can see that the little caption underneath of his name. But if you wanted to change this, let's say you wanted to align to the left, all you do is you click on this, Edit Image, and this box appears. Maybe you want to shrink it down a little bit more. Maybe it was too big. You could shrink it down a little bit, align it to the left, and then click Update, and it'll just update for you and go to the left of the page. And then of course you would click Update once again. The other good thing too is always choose a category with your post. And now these are where you're going to be writing your newsletters under the post page. This is what's going to be sent out, and then there will also be a copy on the website for you. We'll go ahead and refresh this page and check it out with the picture in there. Maybe I forgot to click Update. Let me click Update. And let me refresh again. There we go. So we can see his pictures on the left here now. So that's how we put the links in, put our pictures in. And we can also link our pictures to, let's say that you wanted this picture linked to the past presidents. Well, what you would do is you would click on the picture, and you see where it has this link thing? Right now it's linking to his picture. But if you wanted it linked to the past presidents, you could right click, copy link address, and that copies it to your clipboard. And come back over here. Let me do this one more time so you can see what I'm doing. Just click on his picture and click the little link button. paste your PDF past presidents file in there. Click update. Update it here. And click preview changes. And so now when we click his picture, it'll take us to the past president's PDF file. So that's another way that you can utilize your website. We can also disable these comments if we don't want people to be able to comment on posts, or enable them. You could do that like this. Let's see here. I'm going to select comments so that we could get this screen options here. What it does is it adds and takes off different fields. For instance, see this categories right here? Well, if I uncheck categories, that would remove that box from there. If I check categories, I put it in there. Same with author, revisions. It'll start adding different boxes down here. So I'm looking at the comments now. You see, if I uncheck the comments, the comment box disappears, but I want to see what we can do with these comments. We can add a comment, show comments, and here we can remove them, spam them, trash them, or we can make it so that people cannot comment and post altogether. And if you want that feature, just let me know, and we will go ahead and make sure. And of course, if you only want members to be able to view these posts, then you just leave this unchecked. If you want to let everybody be able to view it, then you click unblock this post. This is also helpful if you're sending out a newsletter and people are coming to the site and you don't want them to have other information on the site. You want to leave that unchecked. We talked about that before, where maybe somebody subscribed to the site and by using the link down here at the bottom, but you don't want them to get into the site. Or if it's no big deal and you want them to be able, let's say that you're having a membership drive, you want to make sure that you check that box. To unblock this post means that everybody can see it. I hope this has been a thorough tutorial. I didn't want to get too complicated and cover too much information, but just as a refresher, we showed how to put PDF files and link PDF files to images, or any link for that matter. And if you don't want this image linked at all, then you would just click this, unlink, and then it won't be linked anywhere. And then click update. And then we can view the post, and we can see, well, it's still linked there. Let me edit this post again. Click on the image, unlink it, click update, click view post. Now when we click on the image, it's not linked anywhere. It's just going to stay in there just like that. Okay, I hope this has been a good refresher for you, and I hope it helps you with your posting. Thanks.